Hi guys, I hope this video catches you all safe and well, and today we are going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. So here it is. This is the UK variant of the phone, which I believe comes with the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. It has 12 gigabytes of RAM. It also has internal 256 gigabytes of storage. Sadly, Samsung decided not to include memory expandability, which they usually do by adding a microSD card slot. So let's go ahead and open this box. The box itself has a very premium feel to it, and this Z logo that you can see, or Z as some of you may pronounce it, it has a kind of hologramic effect to it, which gives it a very premium look. Okay, we can go ahead and open this and see what's inside. Again, once you've taken off the outer cover, you can see a kind of like butterfly effect that they've put on the packaging. Again, it looks kind of hologramic, and it's got like a very premium feel to it. When you do feel the box, it is textured. So it looks like there's some literature here. Change the shape of the future. Okay, some information. Looks like this is an information box, or it could be something else in here. Let's have a look. Okay, so we have a quick start guide, a warranty card, regional lock guide. It's quite interesting. And then we also have the SIM ejection tool, which is just here. Kind of strange how they've put it on this sort of big piece of cardboard. Quite unnecessary there. But anyway. Let's see what else you've got here. Oh, and here, yes, you actually have the device itself. Wow. Okay, now, I'll be very honest with you guys. From watching the previous videos of the launch of the device, I wasn't too sure on the colour. Now, for those of you who feel that the colour is more sort of rose gold, I can assure you that there is a big difference between this bronze colour and the rose gold colour. Seeing this in the flesh in real life has just actually confirmed that for me. Okay, so we'll just put this aside for the moment and see what else is in the packaging. Let's have a look here. So there's some information about Galaxy Z Premier Service. It says here, your Galaxy foldable device comes with specialized customer services designed to deliver the best possible product experience to our valued customers. And so it says here, you have 24 hours support with something called Galaxy Z Concierge. And then there's a telephone number given there. So it also says you have 1 year Samsung screen protection. You do have to pay £119, which is stated just here. So, okay, it would have been nice if the repair would be free, but I suppose £120 is not bad. Okay, so here we have the charger that comes with the device. It looks like it's a 25-watt charger, and I believe this device itself can only be charged at 25 watts as a maximum. I remember the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus could actually be charged at 45 watts. So let's see what's in here. Believe it or not, there isn't actually anything in here. I'm not quite sure what this is. Quite strange, really. Very strange. There's nothing actually in here. It would have been funny if they put a micro SD card in here. That would really confuse people because there's nowhere to put it. Okay, right, let's have a look what else is in here. Okay, so we have the charging cable. Now, this is probably going to be USB-C to USB-C. Yes, that's right, it is USB-C to USB-C. That just looks more or less the same as the Note 10 Plus cable that you get with the Note 10 Plus. Okay, let's see what else you have here. Okay, so it seems that Samsung were kind enough to give some Akg earbuds. Now these earbuds looks like they are USB-C. Let's have a look. Yes, they are USB-C. So it would allow you to just simply plug them straight into the phone. You don't really need a dongle. You can just plug them straight into the USB port, which is not bad, I suppose. That's quite nice of Samsung to actually include these in the UK variant. I'm not entirely sure whether the rest of the world will get some USB-C earbuds. Okay, so we can just take that out, pop that back in there. We can close this packaging and have a look at the device itself. So looking at the device again, it does feel very, very premium. As I said, the colour itself is far more different to what I thought it was going to be. Okay, so as I've just taken off that protective plastic layer, the first thing that I noticed is that there is a crease mark, which is straight in the middle. However, looking at the phone straight eye level directly, you don't really notice it. It's only when the light shines on it. I'm pretty sure that it will become unnoticeable once there is something on the screen. Now the outer screen looks a lot bigger than the previous version. It is a lot bigger. Now, considering the fact that I actually paid for this device, it hasn't been sent from Samsung. I can assure you I actually paid for this device. Considering the device is the latest in technology, I haven't even switched it on yet, guys, and just by holding it, looking at it, the feel of it, it just feels very, very premium. Now, this actually reminded me, the form factor reminded me of the Nokia communicator from back in the day, and I was expecting it to be more sort of, when I hold it like this, I was expecting it to feel a little bit like the Nokia communicator, because a Nokia communicator you would actually open up like this, and that obviously has a keyboard, and then it had the screen here. Now this feels way, way more premium than the Nokia communicator. As I said, guys, I haven't even switched this on, and just looking at it, it's actually blown me away. I am absolutely mind-boggled at the design that's actually gone into this. The premium feel of this phone is just something else, guys. If you get a chance to have a look at the phone and hold the phone and look at the quality of the build, I'm pretty sure you guys will be impressed by it. So there you have it. That's the unboxing. And then if I get a chance a little bit later on, I will make another video showing what it's like to use. And I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Take care.